Did you know a single volcanic eruption in Oceania can cool our entire planet? Here's the explosive science behind it. When volcanoes in the Pacific Ring of Fire erupt, they blast sulfur dioxide high into the stratosphere, over 10 kilometers above Earth's surface. This isn't just any gas release. These eruptions inject millions of tons of sulfur dioxide in minutes. The gas transforms into tiny sulfate aerosols, creating a reflective shield that bounces sunlight back into space, temporarily cooling our planet by up to 0.5 degrees Celsius. Scientists track these climate-changing events using seismic monitoring stations across Oceania. By detecting underground tremors and measuring gas emissions, they can predict when these massive eruptions might occur. The most powerful eruptions can impact global temperatures for months or even years. Ever wondered how many active volcanoes in Oceania could trigger the next global cooling event? Drop a comment with your guess.